Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to create a property within the Odoo Property Management module. In order to rent out and manage real estate properties or individual units, a compact register of each unit is essential. The Properties section of the PMLine menu is conveniently designed to keep all information and managing functionalities of rental objects in one place. Detailed information about each property and unit is important for easy control and prompt updates. So let's explore this section and how to use it.
To get started with the rent module in PMLine, all real estate properties need to first be registered under the properties. The property card has several tabs, including a mandatory fields tab, which must be completed correctly in order to save changes. Okay, let me show you an already created property and tell you step by step what you need to do to create your own. So firstly, enter the name by which the property is commonly known. Select the type of property from the provided options and provide the name of individual or entity that owns the property. Here are the general tabs I will be talking about in this video. The Summary tab is divided into three parts: listing information, property's primary bank account, and address. Let's start with the property description. You need to describe the main features and characteristics of the property. List any amenities or facilities available on the property. Here is a list where you can select them or add your own. Include any additional notes or special instructions. You can also attach any relevant files or documents related to the property. In this line, you enter the bank account information used for the property's daily operations. Next, you need to fill in the address section. Enter the street number of the property. Provide the full street address, including any suite or unit numbers. Enter the city where the property is located. Specify the state or province where the property is situated. Enter the postal code or zip code. And the last one specifies the country where the property is located. If you have entered your property's address correctly, the Geolocation tab will display your property's coordinates and how it appears on map. Okay, let's move to the next step, units. You are free to add as many units belonging to this property as you wish. Fill in the relevant information for each unit. The unit number can be entered manually. It can be either numerical or alphabetical. However, if you don't specify it, it will automatically be set as the serial number of the unit in the system when you save the changes. If the address is different, you can change it, but it is automatically filled in from the previous property tab. Check the box if the unit is available for rent, or you can schedule the availability status here. Enter the market rent amount for the property. It is the price of the property that will be used for the ad. List any utilities or services that are included in the rent, such as gas, heat, or something missing from the list. Specify any prepayment required for utilities. It is the amount of the prepayment that will cover the utility bills or expenses. Enter the rent amount for parking space, if applicable. Provide the size of the unit, square feet. Include any additional notes or special instructions related to the unit, and attach any relevant files or documents. Here you can see all the leases related to this unit, their status, and start or end date. If you need all the details, just click on a line to open the current lease. This will provide you with comprehensive information regarding the leases terms, conditions, and any associated documents. However, I will tell you all the details about the leases section in the next videos. Now, let's get back to the unit settings. In this step, we mainly store listing information, which will be used in advertisements and in the description of the property or unit on our website, which was mentioned in the previous video. Okay, let's explore this step. Here you have to provide a brief description or overview of the unit, describe the key features and characteristics. Amenities will be automatically filled from the Property tab. List any appliances included in the unit. Specify the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. Indicate the type of laundry facilities available, in unit laundry, in building available or known. Select the type of parking. Specify the type of air conditioning system and the type of heating system in the unit. And finally, indicate any pet policies or restrictions for the unit. In the Media tab, you can add some photos and give it a name. You can also enter the URL of a video to showcase your product. Alright, let's go back to the Property tab. And the last one I want to tell you about is the Financial tab. It displays all the financial information related to the lease of the property. Analytical plans for displaying the balance sheet in the main areas are automatically created when a property is created in the system. Analytical accounts for rent and utilities are also created automatically for each new contract, and the balance for each of them is displayed in the table below. If you expand it, you can see all the details with precision for each specific transaction. So that's all I wanted to show you today. Stay tuned for future videos to learn more about PMLine and DigiFleet functionalities as we grow together.